Hey friend, have you ever done something so wrong, so heavy that you wondered if God could ever forgive you? Maybe you've messed up again, the same sin, the same mistake, and now guilt is eating you up inside. Maybe you feel like God's given up on you, but I'm here to tell you something life-changing. You can't out-sin God's grace, must you? Yes, you heard that right. You cannot out-sin God's grace. No matter how deep the pit, His grace goes deeper. Shame is a liar. It whispers, you're too far gone or God's done with you. But grace speaks louder. Grace says, you are still loved, you are still chosen. Come home. We've all been there, regretting choices, hiding secret sins, trying to clean ourselves up before coming to God. But the truth is, He already knows and He still calls us His. Romans 5:20 says it beautifully. Where sin increased, grace increased all the more. That means grace doesn't run away from sin. It overwhelms it. Where your failures pile up, God's grace pours in even more. Grace is not a drop, it's a flood, and it washes everything clean. Let's take a look at Peter, one of Jesus' closest friends. He promised to stand by Jesus no matter what, but when the pressure came, he denied Him 3 times. Not once, not twice, but 3 times Peter said, I don't know Him. Can you imagine the weight of that betrayal, the shame? But Jesus didn't give up on Peter. He didn't say, you're done. Instead, He met Peter right where he was, on the shore after the resurrection. In John 21, Jesus gently asks Peter 3 times, do you love me? And after each answer, He says, feed my sheep. He wasn't just forgiving Peter, He was restoring him. Jesus was saying, I still believe in you. I still have a purpose for you. That same grace is available to you right now. No matter how many times you've fallen, Jesus isn't done with you. Grace doesn't keep score. It resets the game. Your sin doesn't disqualify you. God's grace requalifies. You are not beyond His reach. He knew every sin you would commit before you were even born, and He still chose the cross, not reluctantly, but lovingly, for you. So if you're carrying shame today, you don't have to anymore. Lay it down at the feet of Jesus. Run into His arms. Grace is waiting. He loves you deeply. He sees you fully. And He's ready to restore your heart, your hope, and your purpose, just like He did with Peter. Type Amen if you receive this. Share this with someone who needs to hear. You can't out-sin God's grace. God's not done with you. He's just getting started.